In this video, we go over the and O sounds. We will also read a poem that will really make you laugh. Also, look out for 2 sets of tongue twisters that are really cool but challenging. Most definitely challenging. See if you can say them as fast as you can. After this video, you will be able to articulate your words with a beautiful English accent. So stay tuned, and yes, you can fast forward to the cool bits. Ooh, little tongue twister. Here, let's go.
In the back of your mouth, towards the top. On the other hand, a sound. Your lips are open and your tongue is in the front of your mouth, bottom, behind your bottom teeth.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, the O sound at the beginning, the middle, and the end. The O and the R and the O. Okay, first one.